Yo, what is up everybody? It's Jake here back with another video. And so what I noticed from my past videos is that the audio quality sucks. So I really want to improve my audio quality, and today is Black Friday and I went ahead, go to Best Buy, and I picked up a microphone. This is the blue Snowball. Let's unbox it. Alright, so here we have the blue Snowball, and let's go around the box real quick. So on the top, there's a little laptop, and it tells you can connect your microphone to your laptop. And Snowball, blue branding. So classic audio quality USB microphone. Okay, microphone USB. Alright, never mind, I can't read, it's French. Never mind. On the left side, Snowball, blue branding, same thing. On the back, you have your features, Snowball. On the bottom, okay, let's see. Alright, I can't read. Alright, never mind. So, yeah, let's open it up from here. Alright, no chopping knife needed this time. Okay, let's see what's in the box. Okay, on the top, you have a user guide. Alright, so inside here, you have, looks like, two separate boxes. Oh, just a cardboard for protection. Okay, inside the box you have your actual microphone. Pull it out. Here's what it looks like. Blue branding. We'll take a look at it later. Okay, so let's see what else is in the box. Nothing. That's it. I think that's it. Oh, okay, there's another box in the bottom. Pull that out. Alright. So inside this box we have a stand. That's nice to have. As well as a data cable. A USB cable. And that's it. That's all we have in the box. So now let's look at the microphone. Okay, so inside this bag we have the microphone. Okay, so metal build, feels really nice. You have your blue branding, your LED light. At the back, you have a little connection port. 1, 2, 3. It's probably your recording mode. And on the bottom, here's where your stand is gonna go to. And that's about it. So let me just put it onto the stand real quick. Let's see what it looks like. Okay, so here we go. And that's it. It's just a simple microphone. And you can adjust the height, so that's nice. And that's what it looks like on a stand. And on the stand you have your little blue branding, and that's about it. Nice and simple microphone, and hopefully I can improve my audio quality So yeah. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up down below, as it does support me a whole lot. And definitely comment down below, let me know what you guys think of the sound quality right now, because I'm actually using the microphone that I just unboxed to record my voice. And if you guys want to see more unboxing videos like this one, be sure to hit that subscribe button, which is also down below. And yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.